I want to do subtraction. I want to subtract 284285 from this number, and the answer will be 5 and 8 13, 9 and 7 16, 3 and 4 7, 6 and 4 10, 9 and 3 12, and 3 and 5 8. I have not used the traditional method of subtraction which we have learned in the classroom to solve this problem. Rather, I have used the addition operator to find out the solution. Let us understand with the help of a simple example how we can do that. For example, we want to subtract 243 from 876. There are two ways of doing it. First method is of our classroom method, means when 3 is deducted from 6 it is 3, 7 minus 4 it is 3, and 8 minus 2 it is 6. Now in the second method we can solve it in this way. In the line number 3, add something in the line number 2, means in the line number 2 add something in the line number 3 over here, so that our answer becomes 6. Means the answer should be the line number 1. How much I should add to this 3 so that it becomes 6? I should add 3 in this 3 to make it 6. In 4, I should add 3 to make it 7, and similarly in 2, I should add 6 to make it 8. Our answers are same. Now, why should we do this? Now, why should we use the addition method to find out the subtraction? The reason is very simple. Addition is always easier than doing subtraction. For example, if we are given two problems, 276 minus 149 and 276 plus 149, and we are given an option that we can do either of these two, then most of the students, they will prefer to solve the addition problem than doing this subtraction problem. The reason is very simple, means addition is always easier than subtraction. It takes lesser time to do addition than doing subtraction. Before going further, I want to share my experience in India. In India, we generally don't do any subtraction. Most of the shopkeepers, they don't use calculator or computer to do the subtraction. Rather, they use the method of addition to find out the solution of subtraction. How they do that, let us understand that first. Suppose a person has a one piece currency note of rupees 1000 and he has gone to a shop of grocery to buy certain grocery items, and he made the purchase of grocery worth rupees 437. Now the shopkeeper doesn't use any calculator, so how he will pay back the balance amount will be like this. The shopkeeper will say, I have given you items worth rupees 437 already. It means I have already paid you 437 rupees. Now take this 3 rupees and now you have 440 rupees. Now take 10 rupees more and you have 450 rupees. Now take this 50 rupee note and you have 500 rupees, and finally take this 500 rupee note and your 1000 rupees are totally complete. So here he has not done subtraction, he has done addition. First he added rupees 3, then he added rupees 10, then added 50, and in the last he added 500 rupees. Without doing any subtraction, he has paid him the balance amount of 563 rupees to the customer. So this is what in India we do to do subtraction in our day-to-day life. Now let us understand how we can use this method of addition to do our daily subtractions. Before solving the actual problems, let us first learn the underlying technique of solving such problems. Now we want to subtract 2738 from 5603. Now if we add anything over here in this 8, it can never make 3. So in such case we should make it 13. So if in this 8 we add 5, it will become 13. Now this carry is taken over to next digit and it is added to this digit. So it becomes 4. In this 4, if we add 6, it becomes 10. Again there is one carry. That carry is added over here. Now it is 8. In this 8, if I add 8, it becomes 16. Again one carry, and now it is 3. In 3, if I add 2, it becomes 5. So now let us do certain examples to understand this concept clearly and also to do our practice on this method of doing subtraction. So let us solve these problems. 2 and 7 it is 9, 8 and 9 it is 17, 1 carry, 2, 2 and 1 3, no carry, 1 and 9 it is 10, 1 carry, it is now 9, 9 and 3 it is 12, 1 carry, 3 and 1 it is 4. 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carry, now it is 2. In 2, when we add 1, it becomes 3, no carry. 8 and 3, it is 11, 1 carry. 9 and 7 is 16, again 1 carry. 9 and 1, it is 10, 1 carry. 3 and 5, it is 8. 9 and 7, 16, 9 and 1, 10, 8 and 3, 11, 2 and 2, 4, 8 and 5, 13, 3 and 6 is 9. So you have seen that with the help of addition method, we can do the things faster and in a easier way. Some of the students might be thinking that this method is somewhat difficult method, but I assure you, this is the most efficient method of doing subtraction. It only needs concentration and practice, and I know then you can do it.